Well, this is one of 2 electric bikes that we purchased from Lectric. This is actually my wife's white step-through bike, and I have one that I'm going to put together a little bit later, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to take it out of the box and to assemble it. Hopefully it's not too difficult. But one reason why we wanted electric bikes is because of the versatility that you have when you go camping. We love to camp and we wanted some transportation. We needed bikes that, number one, fold up and fold out for transportation purposes. And we'd also wanted something with a little more power than just a regular bicycle. At campgrounds you have a lot of sand and dirt, and these have wide tires, and I think they're going to work a lot better than regular bikes. And campgrounds are starting to charge $5 to $10 a night to have a golf cart, and you can't take golf carts all the places that you can ride bikes, and I didn't want the added fee. So this is what it's like to get it from the mail, just like this, and let's take a look and see how easy it is. So definitely get yourself some open space to ride and practice. You definitely don't want to practice on the street and end up crashing into a car or falling in front of a car or worse. But you have 5 power assist speeds, and then you have 7 speeds, kind of like your 10-speed bike back in the day. But any of the power assist modes you can use the throttle. So I think that's pretty neat. I think I'm going to go with number 5. And just take off. Super nice bike. The tricky thing is you're going to have power assist and you're going to have your speeds. So learning how to use those in conjunction with each other is going to be the trickiest part. But overall, I think this is a great bike. And I already drove a mile in the field. And if you were in your regular bike, you would never be able to ride that far in your field. But with power assist, you can go anywhere, hit the trails, get one of these, you're gonna love it.